Hey, if you are in need of a wired pair of earbuds, you're going to want to check these out. These are by Kinglucky. They did send these to me. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. And I reviewed quite a few of their headphones. They're always good sound quality. Now, these are a little different because they're wired. Most of the other ones are Bluetooth. But if you're looking for wired, usually it means you want to plug it into your computer or you have a 3.5 millimeter jack on your phone as well, or you just want a better sound quality. And some people don't like the Bluetooth because of the radio frequency. So you can get these. This is what they look like. And I'm going to show you. So you can see right here, this little wired piece, okay, just connects right in here. So you just clip it on like that. And these are over the ear style. So you see right here how it's kind of contoured. You just put it in and it's just going to wrap around the back of the ear. Same thing on this side. You just go ahead and put it in and it goes right over the back of the ear. They're very comfortable. They do not want to fall out. I love the fact that they give you 3 different sizes of the earbud covers. So this little piece right here that goes inside of your eardrum, that little plastic piece, they're actually silicone. They give you 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large. So you can take those off. They just pop right off and then find what's going to fit nice and snug in the ear. The more snug fit you can get in there, the more noise canceling it's going to be for you. You're getting the sound quality and you're getting it at a great value. So if you're looking for something at a great value, but you don't have to sacrifice sound quality, definitely pick these up, give them a look. And yeah, that's my quick review and thanks for watching.